I'm Mrs. Sitedi, the principal of Usiposetu School for Mentally Challenged Children. We are based in Vosloorus with 700 children. We are really grateful for CATC for being at our school. They've done a lot of work. They've trained us on how to deal with children with autism. They have conducted classes every Monday for a year plus. And I have personally seen a great improvement, even in classes. We tried to start classes on our own, and it failed dismally. But they came by and they help us. We currently have 2 classes that are currently running, and they are giving advice, they are giving us programs. We are actually looking forward to have a reading program because a lot of our sister schools also need help. With the Monday trainings, we did involve 4 or 5 other schools, sister schools, that came to attend. So we really appreciate what they're doing for us. We want to keep this relationship going because we are benefiting a lot. Even myself, as a principal, I can see improvement in the classrooms. Thank you.